Hi, what's going on with the Chicago housing market? Let's take a look at the numbers through January of 2022. What you're seeing on the screen now is the volume of closed sales, properties sold in the month of January of 2022 for the lakefront neighborhoods. That's the South Loop through Edgewater, all the way up the lakefront, including the west neighborhoods such as Westtown, Logan Square, Avondale, North Center, Lincoln Square. So in the month of January, $493 million worth of properties closed. This was up 7%, which that would be a good number, except that when you look at the year before that, 2021, it was an increase of 41% versus 2020. It was a terrific month. If you look at a rolling 12-month period, that is February 21 through January of 2022, 12 months, you'll see that $10 billion worth of property sold in those lakefront neighborhoods. That's up 51.5% versus the rolling 12 months through January of 2021. So what's on the market right now? How many properties are there for sale? You keep hearing that it's a tight market. Well, here are the numbers. 13,760 properties are on the market for all of the Midwest real estate data. That's the multiple listing service in which I operate. Last year in January, there were 22.5. In the year before that, there were almost 36,000 properties on the market during the month of January. So we are nearly 1/3 of the number of properties that were on 2 years ago during this time. If you look at the lakefront neighborhoods, downtown Chicago, 2,900 properties are on the market, both attached and detached, single family, townhouse, condo. That compares to 5,400 last year for the month of January and almost 4,000 for the year before that. So how many new listings are coming on the market? Again, not as many as in previous years. In January of 2022, 11.1 thousand properties came on the market. Last year in January, 14,000 came on the market. And in 2020, almost 17,000 came on the market. And that was a very strong and good market of 2020. Number of properties that closed by month, let's look at it on a month by month basis. 7,900 properties closed versus 17,700 in June of 21, which was the high water mark for as long as we can see. Really strong real estate market. Single family homes, 1.2 million. And you can see from this chart, it is a very big increase over the last year in median sales price for single family homes. That is due to, number one, the strong luxury market. And number two, the strong desire for people to move from condominiums into single family homes. Median sales price for condominiums, $395,000. And at first blush, this looks like it's a decline. And it is, but we've been hovering around the $400, $395 mark for some time now. So this is not a significant decline. If you looked at the increase over a 10-year period, you would see that the condominiums have been a very good investment. Month supply of homes for sale in the lakefront neighborhoods. We are down to 2 months worth of inventory, which means it would take 2 months to sell out everything that's currently on the market, given the properties on the market and how quickly they're selling. The high mark of over 7 was during the COVID stay-at-home time period, but we have really rebounded from that, as you can see. I thought it'd be interesting to look at the number of showings that each listing gets in a month. In January, each property that was on the market got 6.8 showings, and that's indicative of how many buyers are out there looking for properties and how few of them there are. So right now we're seeing multiple offers. We're seeing quick contract, the time between it's listed and contract, and we're seeing lots of activity in the real estate market. So if you are interested in learning more about your situation, learning about buying or selling in the downtown real estate market, please reach out to me and let's connect. I'm Ann Rossley with Beard Warner Real Estate.